This video today, I'm going to show you 2 quick and easy ways to install a waistline to your pool equipment. Out with the old, in with the new. There's 2 types of waistlines. There's one like this, the spigot. You can hook it up to a hose, it's going to let water out, but it's not going to stop the water going to the filter. We want to eliminate the flow to our filter. Most problems with our pool can be solved by eliminating the flow to the filter and vacuuming straight to waste. Many filters will bypass and blow back into the pool. The way to find out if your filter is bypassing and going back into the pool, add a little bit of stabilizer into your skimmer and then watch your jets to see if you see it blowing back into the pool. You can install your 3-way valve right above your pump, and that will make it so you can eliminate the whole system and go straight to waste. But just make sure that you have either one of these unions attached to the bottom into your pump, because once this pump starts leaking, we're gonna have to cut this, and we're more than likely gonna have to trash our 3-way valve. These are pricey. We wanna make sure we put it in a place where it'll last a long time. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna trade out their waistlines. We're gonna cut this one out and we're gonna install a 3-way valve. So this one will not bypass the filter, but this one will. Clean up all our snags from the cut. Add a little bit of cleaner to this pipe. Put our 3-way valve right here. I'm gonna make it so it's easy to access, so we can turn it off easily. It's not gonna be in the way of our equipment. This is a Pentair 1.5" 3-way valve. The reason I always get the 1.5" is because it'll accommodate a 2-inch coupling as well as the 1.5". So you can get both sizes out of this valve. Primer. For us to get the best fit, we're gonna go ahead and disconnect this union. And we are going to thread it in just like that. Add our glue. You're only gonna get one shot at this, so make sure everything lines up right. For our waistline, I typically glue this in. It ends up blowing off when we're using it. And now we glue it. It's really close, it's not touching. Primer. Put a little extra glue because it was wet. All right, let's check this out. When we turn our waistline on, we expected to see it go right out that way, and we're actually turning off the flow to our filter entirely. Now I'm going to install our taps and put that one right there so the valve can't be engaged up to turn off the flow to our pool, because that'll stop the restriction right here. We might have a blowout. And our other peg is going to go right here. In our next example, we're going to actually show you, if you do have a waistline, instead of getting a 3-way valve, how you can make it work. Skimmer and main drain. This is the vacuum line. They're both 50-50. Water's gonna go through our pump basket. It's gonna go up through here. Here's our waistline. It is turned off, so it won't go out here. It's gonna go through our filter, come back around, go through our salt system, and back into the pool. So if we wanted to open up this waistline, the water is still gonna go through the filter. Let me show you. Okay, open up this. We're still getting water through the system. Let me show you how to fix that. clear primer. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this. So have a little more wiggle room. This is why you don't want to use too much glue. Look at that clear PVC cement. So we disconnected both of these unions. The other one on the back side is kind of hard to show you guys. I'm going to go ahead and glue this. Always going to lube our O-rings when we have the chance. Sucker's dry. That sound tells me it's probably ready to clean. Here we go. We still got water, right?
Now watch when we turn off the filter with our ball valve.
No more water coming out.
When you're vacuuming to waste like this, you shouldn't see any of the jets on. All of the water should be going out of your waistline. Vacuuming to waste is actually the easiest way to vacuum your pool. Anything that you vacuum up is going out of the pool and your suction will be increased. Thank you for watching our video. I'm Spencer. This is Bowie. There's a new video for you to watch right here. Please subscribe right here. If you have any questions, comment in the comment section below and like the video.